lutut lutut ini dekat sini kan, awak tengok lutut sekarang, nampak dah jauh betul, ini kaki lurus, so kaki bawah tu pusing lagi kanan, masa tendang itu, badan akan lebih stabil, lurus, lurus, badan buka pandang sini, kaki yang pergi, kaki ini jangan ke depan, salah, kaki ini ke dalam, kalau kaki ini ke depan dilembut, impact yang rendah, pencederaan yang rendah, angkat ke atas, keras, kalau kena memang patah dah.
I just finished warming up with students. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty. Look at that. So we're having a break for like 5 minutes and we'll be right back teaching them. They have to prepare for upgrading, so it's quite tiring, but it's fun. So yeah, I'll see you again soon. So we just ended the class and I'm now in my room. So why I keep saying so. I hope that you enjoy my vlog so that it might be short. There will be no class for like 2 weeks. The next class will be on 8th of April. And I don't think I'll be able to vlog much because I am busy teaching and we are preparing for upgrading. So yeah, I hope you enjoy my vlog so that it might be short. And see you again on my next one. Bye. Oh my god, I look so ugly. Look at this. Oh, I'm breaking out. So yeah, bye.